link and use the same WhatsApp account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application on a device, for which you need to log in or tap on the Play Store application and search for WhatsApp. Now as you search for it, you can see there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application on our device. So just tap on open, and as you tap on open, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on linked devices over here. As you tap on linked devices, here you can see you can use WhatsApp on other devices like Windows, Mac and Wave. But unfortunately, you cannot use the same WhatsApp account on Android for different devices. You have to log out of one particular device in order to link or in order to use the same number of WhatsApp in another device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.